So, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, guys, I will not make some video. That is what's very rarely, but will be an unusual video that I will made it for you. I hope this amazing video will be useful for all of you guys that you watch in here. So guys, this video I want to make some podcast with a special guest, with the best guest, with the handsome guest that he's from SMK IDM Boarding School Bogor. He was one of the story he was include the best of student in here. So I hope this podcast will be useful for you. So this podcast will be about an important of education. You know what? Why we want to talk about that? We want to know that is that education is important to us or not? So we just call it the special guest. Let's come here, Muhammad Fadil Suradi Praja. Yes. How are you today?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine.
From where are you, bro?
Yeah, I'm from.
Oh, from there.
Yeah,
Shit.
Okay.
So there for this really video, for an amazing video. But before that, maybe you can introduce yourself first to the audience.
Okay. Hello, my friend, and hello, audience. My name is Raden Muhammad Fadil Suradi Praja, and now I'm 15 years old, and then I'm from Cibinong, Bogor City.
So you're from Bogor?
Yes.
So there, before I start about the podcast, I want to know what's your basic IT in IDN that you know it.
Basic.
Like you right now is a software engineer, network engineer, or designer, or anything else. What do you?
Okay. Yeah, because we are RPL.
Yeah,
Yes, of
RPL.
course.
RPL. Okay?
RPL.
Yes.
Of course, we are programmer.
Programmer.
Yes.
Tell me about programmer as
Programmer.
Because I'm cut your word. As I know, programmer is one of the most hard lesson that people learn. But I don't know. It's just opinion from my friends, from the other people that I ask. What is mean of programmer? Is it programmer is easy? It's like a mathematic or what?
Okay. Programmer basically is hard.
Why?
Why?
Why you say that programmer is hard?
Because programmer, the first. Maybe some of people say programmer can work in everything, in every place.
What do you mean every place?
Yeah, for example, in cafe, in home, or maybe office. But no,
Why? Why you say that it cannot? But I see almost a programmer is when he work in cafe, when he have a free time, he going to, or maybe they going to cafe for relax and for make it the, the vibe of when coding is better than other.
okay.
Oh, what did you say cannot like?
Why? Actually, not. Programmer is not work in every place, but every place programmer is work.
What did you say? What means of that? Programmer is not work in the place, but place for programmer. Every place is for programmer work.
Yes.
What means that word that you said it?
Because in this word, there is called deadline.
Deadline.
Yes.
Okay, deadline is something like some like you get a project
Yes.
from someone, and you get some of a time that you have to do it. Okay. What the connection between deadline and a plus?
The connection is maybe
Is that programmer whatever the place programmer have to do it like that? I mean,
Yeah.
it's like this. Whatever the place, even in cafe, even in school, even in room, even in bedroom, programmer can do programming.
yes.
Oh, okay. So maybe it's just that is just a prologue that I want to know about you. So we just started the point of this podcast. So what do you know about education? What's your opinion about education?
My opinion about education, maybe education is half of our life,
Why you said that education is half of your life?
because without education you can do nothing.
What the difference of education and knowledge? I want to know what's your opinion.
Knowledge is the material of education. The lesson,
Listen.
yes, of education.
How if we so what the point of the education, what means of education, what kind of education, like, do you know? Education is like what?
Education is like we seeking knowledge,
Okay.
okay, in every place that they give knowledge. That's called education. And if you know, before we do education, we get education, we must learn.
Okay, sorry guys, before I pause this podcast first, but this time we just continue the podcast. So yeah,
Okay.
why people say that college is not important? Is that right for you, or is
No.
that yes for you? Sorry, it's not is fall for you. It's a wall. What?
It's wrong.
Why?
Knowledge is important.
Why you can say that?
Why? Like what I said before. This half of life, education is half of life.
Okay, you say that.
Because why? Because without any knowledge, without any education, how we can know how to survive, how to get money. And of course, we don't have any education, we can't do what I said before. The important one is money. Without money, we cannot buy food, right? Is it right?
Yes.
Okay.
So why people that from college is not going to be success? I just get opinion from my friend, from the other, and that. So why people that from college that maybe S1, but he doesn't get anything? He doesn't get anything.
Okay. Why? Because the one who from college, they really want to college seriously when take the education or not. And then remember, you have value in every different place.
Every different place have a value.
Yes.
You.
For example, I have a bit story from car, that old car, from seller of car, the newest car, and the person who want to sell the his old car, and the price, for example, only $100. But when go to the one who collect all of the old stuff in this world, they said it's $1,000. So that's why in every place have different value.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much for Fadel.
Okay.
It's very, very useful for us, and it's very, very useful for me. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thank you very much for listening. That's what I say. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.